Best deals. 1. Containers. Uniquely designed with a see-through window to check supply level of the items. Use this kitchen storage organizer to store spices, dry fruits. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Egg separator. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic and is durable, easy to clean. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coffee mug. Made with rice husk and bamboo fibers in natural colors, these mugs will make your experience of having coffee so much better. They are food contact safe. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric rice cooker. That automatically detects the grain type and internal temperature and automatic keep warm mode, effectively taking the guesswork out of perfectly cooked rice. Featuring a non-stick inner pot with superior coating, detachable inner lid and excess water drainage tray. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Stool. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. They resist deformation. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Microwave oven stand. Adjustable width microwave stand that can be extended to fit different counter spaces and accommodate various sizes of microwaves, OTG ovens, and other kitchen appliances. Dual-level metal rack provides ample storage space. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Durable tempered glass containers that move from oven to freezer with ease. Built for daily use without absorbing stains or lingering odors over time. Lock in taste, texture, and color with this vacuum-powered airtight container set. By removing excess air, it helps slow oxidation. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Saucepan. Crafted with premium stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Solid construction ensures even heating. Perfect for boiling milk, making tea, and cooking. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Broom holder. Stretchy design, holds items firmly, and easy release. Has the advantages of long service life. Easy to use, various surface applicable such as tile, glass, metal, plastics and painted wood, etc. Fit for kitchen, shower, bathroom or anywhere you need. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Chopping board. Thick, extremely durable, the smooth surface also prevents your knives from dulling too quickly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Grill. Made from high-quality, food-grade cast iron for superior durability and even heat distribution. Naturally pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, contains no synthetic coatings or harmful chemicals. Perfect for grilling vegetables, paneer, meats, sandwiches. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Coconut scraper. Designed for effortless coconut grating. Premium and durable, built for longevity and everyday kitchen use. Features a unique tabletop design for excellent grip. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Choppers. The non-skid feet on this mandolin fold in for compact storage and it is dishwasher safe for your convenience. There are julienne, slice and waffle cutting options with 4 slicing thicknesses that vary from 1 mm, 3.5 mm, 5.5 mm and 7.5 mm. The folding handle and non-slip feet of the vegetable slicer make it comfortable to use and easy to fold and store. The blade does not require extra space for storage and is super easy to clean under running water. From delicious gratins to delicate julienne carrots, our professional mandolin is a necessity in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Scrub pad. The small hole design of these wire dishwashing rags generates rich foam, allowing for efficient cleaning of tableware, pots, and more. Additionally, they can be used directly to clean grills, stoves, and other surfaces. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Sponge holder. Efficiently stores a variety of cleaning tools, including bottles, brushes, sponges, and hand sanitizer, helping you keep your kitchen cleaning supplies organized. Features a hollow bottom and inclined water tray for quick and automatic drainage into the sink, ensuring mess-free use. Maintain a clean and organized counter. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Soap dispenser. Dispense the perfect amount of soap onto the sponge, extremely easy to use. Best for home, office and restaurant. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Organizer. Features a blend of deep and shallow compartments, ideal for storing a variety of cosmetics such as makeup brushes, eyeliners, and blushes. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Frying pan. Its low porosity surface needs less oil, while the non-reactive finish ensures food retains its natural taste. Perfect for searing, stir-frying, cutlets, or omelets, this pan withstands high heat without damage. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Brush. Features a smart sink rest that grips the edge, allowing excess water to drain directly into the sink. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Hooks. Are designed for multifunctional use, suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Use them as wall hooks for hanging strong 5 kg items, ensuring stability and style. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cake pan. Highly durable cold roll carbon steel for better heat retention, faster and even baking without hot spots. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Racks. This versatile countertop storage rack helps organize items like spice jars, cups, dishes, small pots, fruits, books, skincare products, and cosmetics etc. It also stores towels, shampoo, and shower gels, offering a neat, accessible display for any room. Compact design fits perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or pantry shelves. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Mortar and pestle set. Amical is handcrafted by skilled artisans, made from natural stone detailing and a polished finish. Dotted grinding surface, comfortable pestle holder, and spillage area with drainage for effortless use and cleanup. Grind wet chutneys, thogiles, ginger garlic paste, or dry spices and herbal powders, traditional taste made easy. Crafted from 100% natural stone, the stone grinder ensures chemical-free, healthy food prep, just as nature intended. This Amical is handcrafted with love and care by skilled artisans, making each piece unique. Every detail, from stone selection to polishing, is meticulously done by hand. This handmade touch brings a personal, human element to your cooking and kitchen. Amical features a dotted mortar and pestle for easy grinding, a comfortable holder to hold the pestle, and a spillage area with a drainage passage to catch and remove excess liquid, making cooking and cleaning easy and convenient. This Amical is a versatile kitchen essential that lets you grind a variety of healthy recipes with ease. Use it to make wet recipes like chutneys and thogiles and ginger garlic paste. Dry recipes like masalas and herbal powders. With this Amical, you can create a range of delicious and healthy dishes. This Amical is made from natural stone, ensuring a non-toxic grinding experience. This means your food is free from chemicals and artificial additives. With our Amical, you can enjoy healthy and wholesome meals. Nature's way of cooking. Product link is given in the 23rd link.